You want to know how to convert Facebook profile to Facebook page? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes in this process. So first of all, we will open up the Facebook application, and then you will actually click on your profile image onto the top left where it says what's on your mind. You will see your profile image here. You will tap on your profile image and it will take you to the Facebook to your Facebook profile here, and then you have to actually click on these three dots here. You will click on this one, and you will see this option here where it says turn on professional mode. So what is a professional mode? Professional mode actually converts your Facebook profile into your Facebook page, and you can actually earn money by posting reels on your Facebook page. So you will click on this turn on professional mode, and turn on professional mode, get paid for your content. Like I said that if professional mode is turned on, you can actually earn money from Facebook by posting reels onto your Facebook page. So you will click on turn on, and then you will see that your Facebook profile is now converted into the Facebook page, and finish up your profile. So we can actually do this later here, or we can actually skip a step. Let's skip these steps so we can actually do these later. Okay, so skip these step 2, and last skip these as well here. And now you can see that our Facebook uh, profile is converted into the Facebook page, because we can see this option here: welcome to professional mode, explore all the ways you can use professional mode to make the most of your experience. And now our Facebook page is actually Facebook profile is actually converted into our Facebook page. So that's how you can convert Facebook profile to Facebook page. So we hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.